Hello everybody, my name's John and welcome to our channel. Today we have the A979B. Although those in the know will know in fact that it isn't that at all. Take a quick look. 3650 motor, 3900 kV, and the ESC is up there. I have to have this shell on top because it's the only one that fits at the minute. So looks kind of cool, doesn't it? Don't know what it's going to act like, but we'll find that out afterwards. This video is being done in reverse. I'm doing the speed run first, and then I'll do the recording at home. So I'll have more information at the start of the video for you. So you would have already heard that by the time you get to this part. Right, let's get into the speed run, shall we? Okay, there's a proof that it's still the 3900 kV motor. Let's see how we get on. Cool! What did I say about if we manage to hit that? That we're plonkers. So, are we agreed it's faster? How cool is that, people? This was supposed to be slower than the other upgrade set that I did, wasn't it? I thought so. Certainly does not seem slower. I think that's what they call a wipeout.
Yeah.
Oh, the wheels off! Yeah. Oh, isn't that interesting? Ball joint ripped off again. How cool is that? Where is the drive shaft? That's going to be easy to find, isn't it? Hello everybody and welcome back. What do you think of the new setup? The new camera angles? I apologise that this one's in the way, but hopefully it won't be too annoying. We're just trying it out for now. I managed to get everything organised here, which is a lot better because I know where everything is for once, which is amazing. This is for my tools, and the tools that I use a lot will be there. So let's see how we get on. Right, you've just seen the video of us running up and down the street and wiping out a little bit, just a little bit. It wasn't a lot. What happened there was it's torn off the ball joint from the wheel hub. That's all. This happened before, and we did manage to find the drive shaft. So let's get into this and then I'll show you the upgraded parts. I had to use this shell, as what I said earlier, because I didn't have any other one that fitted. There we go. So as you can see, it was all just thrown in a right bloody mess, just so that I can get it out onto the road. This was just to see how good it was, or equally how bad it was, but we think it was quite good. Oh, there's the last one. Okay, here we go. Right, so as you can see, everything's just sort of flying around, but I wasn't too worried about that. That's the motor installed. This is the, and I've got it written over there, it's Surpass Hobby 3650 waterproof uncensored. That's important, okay? Brushless motor and a 60 amp ESC 3900 kV. Now, that run that we did just a second ago, it had the original battery in. So God knows what speed it's going to do with the 3S 11.1 volts in there. It's going to be absolutely bonkers. You could see the gyro doing its best to keep it in a straight line, and it was doing its best, but occasionally it did that 360 thing, and the gyro manages to catch it, ready to go straight ahead again. Now the installation of this I'm not showing you on this time because it's exactly the same installation as on the last video I did. So what I'll do is I'll link that in the description for those that haven't seen it as yet. It's incredibly simple to do. I did use the my wife's nail polish to do the thread locking as well. All in all, I mean, this, see the size of this speed controller is absolutely bloody huge, and I haven't found a solution on where to put it. I've seen that you can get the center trays here that are slightly better sort of molded for the bigger ESCs, but I think it's just a case of bite the bullet and, you know, grab a new body shell, something that I haven't done as of yet, but maybe I'll do a video in the next upcoming weeks concerning that. This is going to be super simple to repair. We've done that one before, so I will do that again. So these two, both the motor and the ESC, didn't get hot. There was no problems with it whatsoever. It worked really well. I obviously need different tires. You just see these things are just like this, like it's spinning on ice. Bless its little cotton socks. And then of course you saw the wipeout, and that was a real old balls moment, because I don't know if you've seen in the video, but it was not very far away from hitting in a big pile of dog. Yeah, so I were very lucky on that one. Concerning the Radio Link R6F, whatever it was that I bought, was given by Banggood, with the gyro. Whenever you upgrade your 144001 or any RC car, I really do advise you to grab one with a gyro as well, because I don't think I would have been able to keep this in a straight line without that gyro working away as what it was been doing. I'm going to be doing more running with this one. The previous upgrade that I did on this car, where I blew the ESC, that one is in the post from the UK. My parents have just put that in the post for me, but it should have been here a couple of days ago and it still hasn't arrived. But that is these trying times. So as soon as it gets here, I'll be taking these out and putting that original back in, because I still want to do that speed run. If anybody has got any suggestions for some nice tyres that I can get here relatively quickly, then please let me know, because these things are just useless. And everything else has worked brilliantly, absolutely brilliantly, straight out of the box, no problems. Oh no, I lied, it was a problem straight out of the box, because if you see here, see how all three of the wires from the motor to the ESC are all black, and they have no markings on whatsoever. Well, I mean 200C, but that's not helping me. And it was only by searching on the internet and asking a few of the lovely people on the forums that it turns out that these 3 wires in fact can go in any order and it will still work. And when I had it up on the roof for a quick test run, the thing was going really slow, very slow indeed. So I changed a couple of the wires, and all that happened was it went very slow indeed backwards. So I'm like, oh come on. So I just wasn't even thinking. I changed the last set across, went full throttle, and it went off like a bat out of hell on my roof, and I thought it was going to go over the edge. It stopped very close from the wall, so I could have totaled that straight away. So it does, you know, it's not like something I can show you now on video and say, make sure you put that wire in that slot, because of course they're all black. It's really hard to tell. If you look, I will show you because maybe they are the same, but the 3 wires coming out there, the one on the left hand side from the sort of the position I'm in now goes in the middle. The one in the middle of the motor goes on the left here of the ESC, and the one on the right goes on the right. Don't know if that'll help anybody else, if anybody else does have this, but there you go, that's what I've found out. So now it's just a case of cable management and buy some shells and get some shells sprayed. This, incidentally, as I said on the video that you've already watched, is from the WL Toys A979, and it actually works really well. And you saw it survive the couple of flips and protected everything, more importantly, which is fabulous. So there you go. Can I recommend this ESC and motor? Most definitely. I wrote the prices down. £25.23 for both of them, and that was for the 3,900 kV motor. That's €31.99 and $31.99 and €27.25. If I said any of those wrong, I'll just put them on screen while editing. Yeah, it's definitely you know, a nice cheap purchase. I've had no problems, and I don't envisage there being any problems now it's all sort of set up. So there you go. If you like this video, please hit the like button and hit that subscribe button as well, please. And hit that notification bell for future video alerts. Have a great day today, everybody. Take care of yourselves. Bye-bye.